Good morning, anglers. This is Anglers 48 coming to you once again from Port Mansfield, Texas on this nice little Sunday morning after Christmas Day. I hope you all had a blissful Christmas. And we're flying solo. I'm out here. I'm trying to catch some pinfish. Trying to see how it goes. Trying to do what some of the little techniques that Izzy's Salt Life uses. I haven't been too successful. Once again, first time that I'm trying to do this. I'm out here. I went a little far out of, away from shore, throwing a little bit of mullet. See if I can get these pinfish. What's the setup? So we're on the kayak. We got 4 poles. We have the live shrimp right there. I got the interstate battery. The winds are supposed to pick up, so hoping that I can take advantage of anything that's gonna be out here biting. We got a couple of anglers. We got a boater right there that was coming straight for me. So we'll see what happens, guys. Once again, the last time that I was here, I was able to hook onto the trout on the north side where the cove is. So what I'm going to be doing right now, since we have a southerly breeze, I'm going to start drifting from where the pier is at. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drift and I'm going to cast out the popping cork, and I'm going to let that drift as well, and I'll be utilizing the old penny gulp. So that's going to be the setup right now. So got the poles right there. I threw the popping cork while I'm trying to get the pinfish. Not very successful here. So let's go ahead and get everything ironed out here, and let's get to work now. So we're ready. I'm already placed the kayak in a certain angle. I already cast it out. Popping cork with live shrimp. Now we're gonna get to work as far as with the penny gulp, and we're gonna be drifting to the north side. If I don't get anything, as I'm drifting, obviously I'm gonna see if I can target that spot again, that area where I've been having success. And if the winds do pick up a little bit more, I'm gonna be going to the shore and targeting the shore there for reds. On this fishing trip, it's just gonna be mainly catch and release. Catch and release. So I am using the same equipment, luz and Shimano. I got fish on, guys. Fish on here in Port Mansfield, Texas, on this popping cork. I'm doing some drift fishing. Let's see, guys. Ooh, nice. A little speck. A little speck, guys. Little potato chip. No wonder it didn't give much of a fight. Okay. Hang on, buddy. Hang on, little buddy. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. got the old fish grips. Gotta get the fish grips. Pretty good, huh? Not bad, not bad. Man, not even, maybe for some ceviche. Okay, but you got a lot of, man, this one's got a little bit of man, it's been nice. There's like a little bit of a bruise right there, so we'll let this. You got a fish on, guys? Fish on. Oh no, oh man, this one's pulling, guys. This one's got a little pull. Ooh, ooh, nice. This one has pull, guys. Hang on, bud. Hang on, bud. Got a trout, guys. Got a nice little trout. Oh man. Good deal. Good deal. Good deal. Gotta get the grips over here. Nice. Wow. Once again. Oh, hang on, buddy. And the word is out. I'm not taking anything, guys. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Good fillets right here, guys. Nice. And if you're gonna make some trout tacos, that would be nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, you're good to go, bud. You're good to go. Nice. Come on, man. Nice. That one was doing some nice things. Okay. And once again, they're hitting on the live shrimp. So far, nothing on the popping cork, guys. Nothing on the popping cork. Okay. And the floater, once again, is doing its thing. That wind, I am throwing against the wind, so that only makes sense that it's tangling up. Okay, so far it's two, guys. Two trout, one got away. No keepers, we're not keeping anything. Sometimes I always say that, but when I go back, I don't want to go back this time. So far, two in the bag, and we are doing some drift fishing, some drift kayak fishing here in Port Mansfield. Get yourselves a kayak, guys. It's a good investment. You do have to practice plenty of safety, big time. You gotta wear your vest. Wear your vest, guys. Gotta carry that whistle. No whistle, you will get a ticket. You will get a ticket. Got the lights. You're probably wondering, but you know, it's already during the daytime. Yeah, but you never know. Something can happen. You know, the mishaps. They're there. So be safe. It's better to have them and fun. Got a fish, guys, and barely woke up. Fish barely. No! You saw it right there. You saw it. Oh no! And it was a trout. It was a nice trout. Wow. That would have been, I believe, trout number 3. Once again, we are here in Port Mansfield, Texas. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Nice. Oh man, this one, look at that. It wants to let it go. It wants to let it go. It's trying. It's trying. But good. Whoa. Hang on. Good hook. Wait, man. And it kicked. Shame on you, buddy. It kicked the gulp out of the boat. How could you? Yeah. Nice. The other one got away, which was a little bigger, but I ended up oh man. Well, not how I wanted to let it go, but maybe that was the trout telling. Got a fish on, guys. Got a nice trout. Ooh, nice. Oh, it's not a trout. I think it's a sand trout, guys. Wow. That is a big sand trout. Is it a sand trout? Don't know what it is, guys. I don't know what it is. I have no clue. Is it a sand trout? Looks like a speckled trout, but it has to be a sand trout, guys. Wow, I have never seen them this big. Look at that. Man, a lot of meat on it. A lot of meat on it. Okay. Let me know. Please let me know in the comments section if you guys can identify this fish right here for me, please. Okay? If you can identify this as a sand trout, I would appreciate it. Because look at that. It has the horn, that tooth, right in the middle, on top, like a trout. So it has to be a sand trout, I'm thinking. Please. Go. Okay. All right, anglers. So this concludes the adventure on this Sunday after Christmas Day. Heading home. I was able to get to the trout early in the morning, but then I was trying to look for some reds and couldn't do that either. The wind started to get pretty bad. Went to the shore, fished from the shore for a while, and no bites. So it started to get too dangerous to be out there on the kayak, and that's it, you know, heading home. Okay about it. Today it was supposed to be a catch and release. It's the fishing trip, catch and release. I wasn't planning on bringing anything back, so you know, that's it. Heading home once again. Partner in crime didn't show up today, so if you guys are new to the channel and this is, you know, you like this, give it a like, you know, and help anglers out, you know, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for making it this far, and until next time, guys, from Port Mansfield, Texas, Anglers 48 signing off.